Welcome to Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, your trusted local roofing experts in hail roof damage insurance repairs in Denver, Colorado. At Denny's Roofing, we take pride in our craft, with over a decade of experience in the industry. We're not just another roofing company. 93% of our business comes from referrals because we always guarantee a knock your socks off customer service experience. It was founded to bring years of experience and a strong work ethic to provide expert roofing services. When it comes to hail roof damage insurance repairs in Denver, Colorado, we've got you covered. We understand the importance of your home, which is why our 5-star service and installation procedures go above and beyond. Our dedication to 5-star customer service extends throughout construction or repair. When hail strikes, trust Denny's Roofing to assist with expert insurance claims, ensuring you get the support you deserve. We're not a substantial multi-layered company where you're just another job number. We treat you like a friend, family, or neighbor. Just take our word for it. Visit dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company or call 970-545-0020 to see what our satisfied customers say. Choose Denny's Roofing, LLC, Denver, your local roofer, for all your hail roof damage insurance repairs in Denver, Colorado. We're here to make your roofing experience exceptional.